In a world where everything from smartphones to space exploration relies on code, programming has become an integral part of our daily lives. Yet, as fundamental as it is, coding remains a complex, sometimes mystifying task. But what if we told you that artificial intelligence, the technological marvel that's redefining industries, is now also transforming programming itself? From its humble origins in automating simple tasks, AI has evolved to a point where it's now assisting programmers in ways previously unimaginable. Imagine a world where you could instruct your AI to write a piece of software just by describing what you want it to do. This is increasingly becoming a reality. AI's ability to learn and process vast amounts of data means it can quickly generate code by understanding patterns in existing code bases, a task that would consume countless hours for a human programmer. At the heart of this transformation are advanced models like OpenAI's Codex, which powers GitHub Copilot. With vast datasets to draw upon, these models are trained on billions of lines of code from public repositories. They can suggest entire blocks of code, predict the next line as a programmer types, and even fix errors, thereby significantly reducing the chances of bugs. What's fascinating is that AI doesn't just mimic human actions. It's capable of anticipating what a programmer might need next, offering solutions and alternatives that improve efficiency and innovation. But how exactly is AI unlocking new possibilities in programming? For one, AI helps in democratizing access to coding. By breaking down complex coding tasks and offering intuitive suggestions, beginners can more easily learn programming languages without getting bogged down by technical nuances. This means more people can embark on coding projects, fostering innovation and creativity across every field, from healthcare to gaming. Furthermore, AI is bolstering productivity among seasoned programmers. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as searching for the right algorithm or debugging miles of intricate code, can now be accomplished more swiftly with AI as an invaluable assistant. In this way, AI allows developers to focus on creative problem-solving and high-level decision-making, where human intuition and innovation truly shine. Yet, while the advantages are within sight, it's essential to navigate potential pitfalls judiciously. Reliance on AI-generated code raises questions about accuracy, intellectual property, and the potential for introducing biases. Programmers must exercise oversight and maintain a thorough understanding of the code generated to ensure ethical and effective development. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is indeed unlocking a new era in programming. As AI models grow increasingly sophisticated, the symbiotic relationship between humans and machines promises to accelerate the pace of software development while expanding its accessibility. Though challenges remain on the horizon, the marriage of AI and programming is empowering a broader range of problem solvers to turn ambitious ideas into reality. What we witness today is only the beginning, as AI continues to transcend barriers, unlocking not just codes, but an entire frontier of possibilities.